What's good, everybody? We are in Colorado, and with Sean, and we're gonna go up to Loveland Pass. I'm not gonna be snowboarding. He's gonna be snowboarding. I'm not advanced enough for that, but I am gonna be chasing him down the pass, and we're meeting some people there. So let's go.
I need to hear you, come on. I'm gonna need someone to help me. I'm gonna need somebody's hand. I'm gonna need someone to hold me down. I'm gonna need someone to care. I'm gonna ride and take my body. I start pulling out my hair. I'm gonna carve myself in the ashes of you, and nobody's gonna give a damn. Son of a bitch, give me a drink. All night, attend me. Son of a bitch.
All right, I just lost it. I was tracking Sean and I hit the snow. I don't even know if it's gonna function. It's not powering on, and I don't know if Sean turned it on or not. So I'll have to wait until he gets the ride back up. I'm gonna try to track him with the Mavic, or I should say the Air 2S, see if I can see them.
It's a Leviathan.
So Sean designed this board. He's really super proud of it.
So excited. It came out so good. You can pick one up for yourself, save 60 bucks with Sean Oz VIP, all uppercase. Link will be in Ken's description below. I'm so excited.
Show me the other side, dude. Oh, that's the side that hits the powder. Yeah. Dude, that looks good. I'm stoked for you, man.
I'm so excited. And if it sells well, they'll ask me to do more. That's what's so cool.
Well.
One, I like it. Hopefully others do. And if it sells, I get to design more cool ones.
There you go buy Sean Ford.
Message here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home. Any place we wander to, any season we go through, I'll be fine as long as I'm with you. Heaven knows, running round the world with you. When you smile, I smile too. How I ever made it without you, heaven knows.
slow down. So just sort of do what I'm doing, all right? See how slow I'm going? I'm just dragging it. Oops, sounds like he fell. Hopefully he's all right. Is he okay? Now that, sir, was an appropriate fallen leaf. So, see how little that was, Ken? I want to see you do stop for a second and try to play follow the leader with me. This is what I did with Ed. Just try to stop and then follow me. That's much better, dude. Way better. Right? Then do the same thing the other way. Nice wide one. So we just went and did a little run. Ken has been practicing down here, same place that I brought Ed Ricker. Just basically it's get some tips, practice those tips. We come back, see where you're at, give you new tips to adjust and change, practice those tips, and then next thing you know, boom, he's got it.
And I'm feeling a little less tired. Like now that I'm not overworking myself, I feel less tired, so it's not as exhausting or defeating. I felt like before, I'm like, I'm never gonna get this, which now I'm like, all right, I can make it down the hill without killing myself, I think.
So when we were riding, we all were trying to say, okay, we're gonna come down. He's gonna be sitting there, hadn't gone up again by himself at all. And we were stoked. All of us were like, dude, he's over there practicing by himself. He went like 5 times.
Yeah, 5. So just out of breath. The air up here just dries you out.
Well, we're at like 10,000 feet right here.
Yeah.
So it's harder to breathe. It's really dry air.
I'm definitely feeling better. Getting on and on the lift for me was scary. You know, it's been a while. As a kid, you don't develop the same fear as an adult.
No, you
So
don't.
It's weird.
So just go straight like we were doing. And it makes sense how I can walk around in shorts now in the middle of like snow, right?
100%.
So now everybody always asks me that. How are you riding in shorts? How are you riding in short sleeves? Because it's fucking hot. That's how.
A lot of people up here now.
You want to go to this side? Let's try this side.